Hello everyone. So this is our learning module system. So in this video we will talk about training center, client, agent and the course. So first one is the training center. As soon as you click on this arrow at the top, you will come to this menu. From here we can go to training center. Then you will come to this page. So training center is the center where the training needs to be delivered. Here, as you can see, the list of all created training centers will come. Serial number, action, then name, then branch, who's the head employee, who's the mentor employee, and so on. So in this table, the details will come. Now, you can either search using branch or you can enter the training center name for the search. Now let's create a new training center and see how it is created. So once we will click on this add new button, the add training center form will open. Here we can give the details, like we'll give the name. Let's say we are giving this. Start date you can change if you want, but as of now it's taking today's date. Then description we can give. Then branch we can give. Training center head we can select. Mentor employee also we can search or we can just give it from the list. Then we will select the location. As of now we'll give this. So it has automatically taken. Pin code, mobile number, email. And once you are giving everything, just click on this save button. It will get saved and it will come in this list. So in the list we have actions also. Let's say edit, assign infrastructure and delete. Once we click on delete, we can just delete the training center from here. Once we click on edit, we can just edit the details, whatever we have given earlier. We can just modify it and we can assign the infrastructure. So assigning infrastructure means we can give like number of classrooms. We can select the classroom size, number of toilet, what infrastructure we have in that training center. We can give from here or we can delete it. So this is the training center flow. Next is the client. So we'll go to this left side menu and we'll go to client. So these are all the pre-created clients which are already controlling some training center. So we can, in the same way we can search from here using the client type or client name and we can create the new client. So by clicking the add new button, we will give the client name. Then we can give the client type, general learning or whatever type we need to give, we can give from here. Let's say we are giving this. So after filling the country, state, city, district, address and giving the phone number, email, remarks. So after filling the form, we can just save it. It will come in this list. So here also we can see the details and we are having this action. We can view what is the client info, contact details, person details, training center. Next we can modify it using that modify icon. Same thing, we can modify each of the thing whatever we want and we can add the modified training center here. We can add another training center also and we can delete the client. So this is about client. And next one is the agent. So agent is something who will bring the clients and students to the training center. So we'll go to this agent and manage agent. Here as you can see, we can search it. So these are the list of agents which are already there. Then we can just create a new agent from here. We can give agent name, agent Aadhaar card number. We can upload the file for the document. We can choose the training center which will be associated to this agent. These are the lists which are already there. Then we can choose the country, state, then bank detail we can give, then address we can give, then mobile number, phone number, remarks, and if agent is associated with any staffs we can add there here using the add button, or we can delete it. Then we can just save. So after saving, the agent will come here. You can see the detail in this table. So this is the agent table. Here we can view the agent detail. Each of the things we can view here. Then we can edit the agent info if we want. Here we can edit agent. We can choose anything like whatever we need to edit. Then we can give the manage agent rate. One option is also there from here, manage agent rate. Here also we'll come to this page. So what is the agent and training center we can select from here, and we can manage the rate, or we can also add the new rate. So here we can select the agent, training center we can give, and project we can select. Then we can add the course, and we can give the rate per candidate, and we can save it. So after saving, the new rate will be get updated. So this is the manage agent rate. Then next is the course. Here we can select the course, and we can go to course menu. So these are all the courses which are created. We can also add the new course from here, or we can search the already created courses using these filters. After clicking add new course, you can just give the course name, course type, and what is the trade, like what category, and launch date, course duration, and then description. So after saving it, it will come here. So as you can see, the list of all courses, it will come here. Here you can edit them, and you can delete also using these options. Then we have the course trade. We can add the new course trade. So after adding here, it will come in that course list. Once we are adding the new course, it will come in this list. So we can add the categories also. Then we can give the course type. In the same way, we can edit or delete, and we can add the new course type, and we can just save it. So after that, it will come in this course type list. So whatever extra course type we need to give, you can just enter from there, and it will come here. So this was all about training center, client, course, and agent. Also we have the master menu. So master menu is something which only admin has access to. So once you go to training center and master, you can add the infrastructure master from here. So let's say when you are creating the training center, or you can just, when you are adding the infrastructure, you are getting this option of infrastructure. So whatever this options will come, it will come from the master menu. So whatever we will add here in the master menu, infrastructure, so there it will come. And also for the facility, we can add like sweeper, parking area, and all. From here only we can give, and that will reflect in the main training center menu. So this was the master.